early afternoon, a powerful supercell storm struck southeast Queensland, rapidly darkening the skies over Brisbane and surrounding regions. What began as heavy clouds quickly escalated into a violent mix of giant hailstones, destructive winds, and torrential rain. Suburbs such as Ferny Hills, Alexandra Hills, Gumdale, and Logan reported hailstones reaching 10 to 12 centimeters in diameter, large enough to smash roofs, shatter windows, and damage cars in seconds. Residents described the sound of hail hitting metal and tiles as explosive, unlike anything they had experienced before. Within minutes, the storm brought winds exceeding 100 kilometers an hour, uprooting trees, snapping power lines, and cutting electricity to more than 120,000 homes, some areas reaching up to 140,000 outages. Emergency services were overwhelmed as roads became blocked by fallen trees and debris. In Logan Lee, an entire roof was torn off a home, forcing the family to flee to a neighbor's property. Schools, transport systems, and businesses fell into chaos as the storm peaked during school pickup time, trapping parents and students in traffic, flooding, and widespread power failures. Meteorologists describe the event as a dangerous supercell fueled by hot, humid air that created perfect conditions for giant hail and destructive winds. Storm chasers reported nuclear characteristics in the storm, with some gusts believed to exceed 150 kilometers an hour. Streets quickly flooded, visibility dropped sharply, and low-lying areas turned into fast-flowing streams. Car dealerships, industrial zones, and residential neighborhoods suffered extensive damage as roofs shattered, trees collapsed, and vehicles were destroyed. In the aftermath, emergency crews began large-scale cleanup operations as residents shared photos of giant hailstones, crushed roofs, and destroyed vehicles. Insurance claims rose rapidly, and authorities warned that unstable weather patterns and heat wave conditions could trigger more storms in the coming days. Many families were left with damaged homes, unusable cars, fallen trees, and long-lasting power outages as communities worked together to recover from one of Brisbane's most destructive hailstorms in years.